Today is Thursday the 10th, and yesterday I left the Alvord Desert in southeastern Oregon, made my way into Idaho, went through Boise, and now I am up. This is Lake Cascade, and I stayed at a place, a camp area last night called French Creek campground, and it was lovely. You could hear a pin drop there. It was absolutely awesome. Today I'm going to make my way up to Tamarack Mountain Bike Resort. I crashed yesterday, or maybe it was 2 days ago, and I hurt my wrist. So I'm not sure if I'm going to ride the mountain bike park today. I'm wearing a wrist brace right now. I might give it another day. It's pretty swollen. I hope it's okay. But so I'm going to make my way over to Tamarack Mountain Bike Resort, and maybe they have some cross-country options that might be a little more wrist-friendly than the downhill. I really want to ride the downhill, but I don't want to wreck myself any worse right now. So, like I said, I'm going to head up to Tamarack and see what's going on up there, find some more camping, and we'll check back. I'm just a few miles, I guess that would be west of Donnelly, Idaho, and I found some camping up a Forest Service road somewhere. But anyway, I've made my way over here to Tamarack Resort. Got a map. I'm gonna go check out some of their trails. It is a downhill resort. They do offer lift-served mountain biking, but there's also cross-country trails here, and I'm gonna go give those a shot today, and then see how those are, and then maybe sample some downhill tomorrow. But I've been driving a lot, and I feel like I really need to get my climb on. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you a little of the single track here at Tamarack. I just climbed up a trail they call Buttercup, which is a climb. Sometimes they name trails tongue-in-cheek, and that one was tickling the cheek part for sure. Wasn't technical, just a climb. This is called Tamarack Traverse, but what I'm really enjoying is all the different fauna and flora. I just passed a giant bird running through the bushes. Not sure what it was. I don't think it was a grouse or a chukka. Just a big bird in a hurry. He wasn't happy with me. But this kind of I just swallowed a bug. This kind of plants I haven't seen. I like it. And I was assured that down this low, the only thing you got to worry about is the mountain lions. There's black bear, but they're not. Black bears aren't too concerned about us, but the grizzlies are up higher, so apparently you don't have to worry about the grizzlies down here. But I am making noise and talking to myself like a fool. But it's a nice afternoon for a ride, and this trail looks like it goes up and up and up too. I'm traversing up Tamarack, and I'm climbing a bit. I think I'm about 1,000-foot climb so far, but I came across this viewpoint here, and it's Cascade Lake. Basically, that's where we started, lake level. And smoke's sad, but at least we're not in California. I feel so bad for those people. But I'm going to continue up the climb, going up to a place called the Glades. So I've been told that's a pretty good little downhill section. We're going to give that a shot. I'll let you might enjoy what I'm looking at for a second. Riding up what they call North Glade. Look at the trees. Very cool. They're all the same size. Kind of bizarre. I don't know if this has been logged, or I'm sure it was logged at some point, but all these trees seem to be same tree, same age. So I just came down South Glade. Doesn't look like look like very few people have ridden that this year. I don't know why the guy down at the shop sent me that route, but he said if you like to climb, go up there. So I did. So I climbed up North Grove, came down South Grove, but now it looks like it dumps me out on a dirt road. Looks like that's it for the single track. This is going to take me back down close to the campsite. That's what he said. So it's probably where I'm going to end the video now. I'm sure you don't want to watch me ride down a dirt road. There might be some critter on it. I don't know. But yeah, it's a great afternoon here at Tamarack. It's Friday, September 11th, and I can't believe it's been 9 years since the attack. Wow, what's happened in 9 years? But you know, it's September 11th, and you still think about that, and you still remember how the world changed. And a little bit somber, but today I'm gonna ride. I'm still at Tamarack here in Idaho. I'm riding up a trail. Right now, I believe this trail is called Pelican. So it's kind of the trail to the resort. And if they'll let me, I'm just gonna. It's $41 for a ticket, lift ticket, and I don't know. I think it's like 2,500 foot vert, which is in my wheelhouse to climb. So I think if they'll let me, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna ride up. It's a service road, just ride up and then pick my poison on the way down. 41 bucks seems, well, it's a lot of money, and I could put it in the gas tank. So I've climbed up to the top of Tamarack. Long slog, a little bit of single track, mostly dirt road. Definitely gonna hit up some sweet single track on the way down though. It's getting late in the afternoon. I'm actually above. I kept climbing above the mountain bike park to nearly the summit, underneath the summit chair here. And yeah, it's getting late. I'd like to get down and get back to my car and cook some dinner before it gets dark. And quite frankly, I'm tired of climbing. So I'm gonna go down and hit some sweet single track, and I'm gonna take you with me. It's gonna be great. Duffy. Dirty Blonde. All right. So made it back to the bottom. One piece, no crashing, which is a good thing. And I think that's it for Tamarack. I think tomorrow I'm gonna move on. Maybe head up to McCall, see what that's all about. I've heard it's great. I've heard great things about McCall. We'll go check it out. It was a good day today. Thanks for coming along.